What's up, YouTube? What's up, Sauce Gang? It's your boy, Sauce Boss, back in the building again, and you guessed it, with another dope project. So, today's project, I'm going to show you how you can use your Cricut Maker as an embroidery machine, because if you don't have an embroidery machine, I'm going to show you how you can use the features on your Cricut Maker or your Cricut Maker Explorer 2 to make designs and patchwork for your jean jacket, your backpacks, your folders, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to show you that now. Let's just get over to the table of greatness and make some greatness happen. Let's go. So today we're working with some nice faux leather. We're going to cut out designs out of this faux leather, and we're going to add it and attach it to the jacket or pants. How the Cricut Maker can cut out faux leather and the tools that you would need to achieve that. And then I'll show you the garment and everything, and then we're going to go from there. Now that I'm in design space and I'm ready to make the images, on the side right here they have this shapes. So you can click on that and it give you a lot of options on different shapes you can already make and already have. So all you gotta do is just upload them. So I'm going with the stars right now. And then if I wanted to copy this, you'll go right over here and you copy it, but it has to be highlighted first, as you can see. And then you'll do duplicate, and then it'll make as many as you want to. But right now, we're gonna go with this size. So I'm gonna go with this star design, and I wanna give it the illusion like shooting stars, so I'm gonna have to resize them down and make different size stars. So right now, I like this size, so I would just do a duplicate of this, maybe. So I'm gonna do a 5 duplicate of this. Well, maybe 4. So I do 4 duplicates of that, and then I'll change the design and I'll size it down, and then I'll go like that, so I can have different size stars and shapes. So after you do that, you'll go to make it. Then you'll see that you have your stars right there. So you'll mirror the image. Then you want to go to continue. So now this is what they all look like, all cut out, different sizes. So once you do this, this is what the Cricut Maker does right here. So take a look at it. Now if you want to add like, if you want to sew around it and add some special stitching, you could do that as well, but you'll need a sewing machine to do that. But if you don't, you could just add some E6000 and glue them to whatever you want to glue them to, and the E6000 will hold them perfectly. So there we go. striving, never stop dreaming, never stop designing. It's your boy, Sauce Balls. Till the next time, you know I'm out. Rah!